Nobody wants to deal with hair loss. As we get older, it becomes more and more important that we focus on the health of our hair. To avoid thinning, we want to ensure our hair is as thick as possible. In this article, we will go over some ways you can grow thick hair naturally, foods you should eat, and shampoos you should look for. How to grow thick hair naturally. The harsh reality is that there is no way to naturally change the texture of your hair follicles. However, there are things you can do to make your hair appear thicker and to reduce breakage and hair loss. Thinning hair is an issue most of us will deal with as we get older. Here are some things you can do to promote natural hair growth. Biotin. Biotin deficiency can cause hair loss and skin irritation around the eyes, nose, and mouth. Make sure your hair is healthy and hydrated. Applying oil to your hair is important, but it's also important that you shampoo and condition your hair because too much oil can leave your hair greasy. Drink green tea. Experts believe green tea has an anti-androgen effect, which can help reduce the risk of baldness. Scalp massages. There are some studies that show scalp massages can help make your hair thicker. Inversion method. There are also some fringe studies that show laying upside down and massaging the scalp with warm oil helps grow thick hair. Keep in mind, this is a marathon, not a sprint. You should want to implement long-term changes in order to ensure long-term healthy hair. What shampoo makes your hair grow faster and thicker? In a perfect world, all shampoos would achieve the same goal, and we wouldn't need to spend hours researching the type of shampoo we needed. Depending on your hairstyle, you'll need a specific shampoo. Here are some of the shampoos that best suit different hairstyles. Curly hair. If you're looking to keep your curls strong and healthy, you'll want a shampoo that nourishes them. Dry hair. You'll want a shampoo that helps your hair keep its moisture. Oily hair. You'll be looking for a shampoo that helps rebalance scalp sebum and calm any irritation. Softness. You'll be looking for a shampoo that helps provide silky hair. For thinning hair, you'll be looking for a shampoo that helps with dryness and breakage. In order to find the shampoo that's right for you, you'll need to figure out your hairstyle. Can a dermatologist help with hair growth and thickness? Hair loss and hair thinning are a part of getting older. While experts are still unsure as to what exactly causes hair loss, they believe that genetics plays the biggest role. With that being said, if you are experiencing rapid hair loss or a quick change in your hairstyle, it could be caused by an underlying health issue. Dermatologists can help get to the root cause of the issues you're facing in regard to your hair. They will offer solutions, whether they be medication or products you can find in your local hair salon or supermarket. You can also get advice regarding any dermatologist-recommended hair growth products. Which oil is best for hair growth and thickness? You probably already know the benefits that oils can provide when added to a skincare routine. But did you know that oils can also provide numerous benefits when it comes to your hair as well? That's why many dermatologists recommend adding oils to your hair care routine. Here are some of the best oils for hair growth. Coconut oil. Coconut oil can provide moisture and sealing to the hair cuticle in an effort to prevent frizz. Olive oil. Olive oil is rich in antioxidants, vitamin E, and oleic acid, which can create a shield around the natural keratin found in your hair. Argan oil. This oil can help protect your hair from the heat and can prevent split ends. Almond oil. This is the recommended oil if you're interested in combating breakage and want to strengthen your hair in the process. Rosemary oil. If you want to stimulate hair regrowth and promote a healthy scalp, rosemary oil can work wonders. What foods help with hair thickness and growth? Your diet also plays a big role in the health of your hair. If you want to grow thicker hair, you need to focus on the foods you're putting into your body. Here are some recommended foods for hair growth: eggs, berries, spinach, fatty fish, sweet potatoes, avocados, nuts. The best part is that these foods are more than likely already in your pantry or refrigerator. On top of that, Eating these foods will also improve your overall well-being as well as your longevity while helping you grow thick hair. What vitamins are good for hair thickness? The reason why your diet is so important in regards to the health of your hair is that your hair needs a variety of nutrients. In fact, experts agree that nutritional deficiencies are one of the leading contributors to hair loss. Here are some vitamins for hair growth and thickness that you should be sure you're getting enough of: vitamin A, vitamin C, B vitamins, vitamin D, vitamin E. If you are not getting enough of these nutrients through your diet, or you have a deficiency, your dermatologist will more than likely recommend supplements. Supplements are a great way to ensure you get the nutrients and minerals your body needs to function at a high level. Supplements can help with hair loss. Taking care of your body with a proper diet, exercise routine, and supplement regimen can help you prevent hair loss. As we mentioned earlier, vitamin supplements can greatly improve hair quality and growth. One other supplement to look into is spermidine. Spermidine is a naturally occurring polyamine that helps your body induce a process known as autophagy. Autophagy is your body's natural cellular renewal process, which recycles older, potentially damaged cell parts with newer, healthier ones. While research on spermidine and hair growth is still early, the results have been promising. Spermidine supplementation has been shown to reduce hair loss by boosting keratin production, a key protein necessary for hair and nail growth. Furthermore, studies have shown spermidine supplementation to prolong the anagen phase of hair growth, the phase responsible for hair growth.
Hey there, thanks for checking us out on YouTube. I'm Daniel from Longevity Labs. We want you to know that we put a lot of time and energy into bringing you the best available information on how to live a longer and a happier life. Follow us here on YouTube or your favorite social channel and stay up to date with what we're working on. Thank you again, and it'll be worth your time.